This is Yo-Yo Factory Freak, and I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do the Matrix. I know people are like, oh, that's awesome, whatever. Pretty cool trick to learn. Yeah, I mean, it's advanced, and once you learn that, okay, this trick right here, Double or Nothing. I like it a lot. I like to just get into it sometimes. Ooh, that was bad. It's like, you do a lot of advanced tricks from that, or you get into it in some of them. So, how you're going to want to do this is you're going to want to, so you're going to have a solid Double or Nothing. Well, not solid, yeah, pretty solid Double or Nothing. You're going to want to have a solid dismount from it. So when you do it, you're going to want to go, it's just a Double or Nothing dismount over and over. But the only hard part, ooh, that was bad. The only hard part about it is this part. Ooh. Hard part about it is whenever you drop. So you just want to come off or shoot up, whatever. Not shoot up. Drugs are bad. Winners don't do drugs. We throw yo-yos, we don't do drugs. Anyways, what you're going to do is come into it. And the hard part for me was the shot. I used to just push off like that and then try to get back into it.